Alright guys, I'm here to show you how to find your course content and also how to submit work. So course content being like the work that you are assigned in class and how to submit it. So say that you are looking here at your schedule for classes. What you're going to do is on the left hand side you're going to go to Gradebook and it's going to pop up with your grades in class, okay? What you're going to do is scroll down to the subject that you're looking for, so say Modern World History. And here I posted the worksheet that is due next week, okay? So you will find all course content there. You click on it, and here is the information that I gave you guys for the assignment. So here's the assignment right here. Here's a tutorial video on how to make a copy of the assignment that I asked you to do. And then when you go up here, you can go to Submission. And down here, this is where you can turn in your work, okay? So you go to Gradebook, select the subject you're looking for. There's the assignments that your teachers talk about. Click on it, then you have content and submission right up there. Thanks.